Hello everyone, welcome to the 4th edition of Solar Art on the Job. We're here at the Museo Museum and we're doing a graphic install, so let's go and check it out and see what's happening. Hi, we're here with Katie and Al-Qaid. If you can just explain to us real quick why you came to Solar Art and what you were looking for.
Sure. So I'm the Executive Director and CEO of Museo Museum Cultural Center. And as the COVID-19 pandemic has kept us closed, we haven't been open to the public for a year now. We've been experimenting with different ways to get art out to the public. So we've put little installs in our windows, but most notably, we've reached out to Solar Art to do exhibitions like this one that you see here in unexpected places, like on our windows, on the ground, whatever it may be. So this is a fine art exhibition here.
And as the artist, can you explain a little bit too what you were looking for as far as for the placement or the product of how you were looking to have it shown?
So when Katie brought the idea to me about making the exhibition outdoors, I generally thought, okay, it might be just walls outdoors. But when she brought up the idea of putting vinyls on the floor, to me, my first initial thought was that is something that can be extremely impactful because it's something that's accessible to everybody. Knowing that these museum spaces at times are not accessible to everybody in the public, making it out here just on the floor for anybody to come take a look became a very important thing for me. So knowing that she was able to rely on you guys at Solar Arts to be able to produce prints for us to make that happen was a really big thing for me. So
that's fantastic. The material we're using today is called rough wall, and it has a non-slip laminate on it. The rough wall will literally stick to anything. We've used it on multiple surfaces in the past. It's just a great product for something that you need to stick to cement. The only thing is when you put it down once, you have like maybe 2 times to get everything lined up. Get a great installer, they do it in one shot, it's gonna stick for as long as they need it then. So this material is great for outside, obviously because it has the non-slip laminate on it. Any of the materials we use when a client asks will be for outside. If they specifically ask for an inside film, then we'll use an inside film, but most of the film that we're using will go either way. The printer, the client sent us the image out of super high resolution, which then gave us great quality to work with. That's one of the biggest points we try to make across to customers is, you know, as long as they give us a great quality image to work with, we can give them the exact same image back. So that's another episode of Solar Art on the Job. Thanks everybody for watching. I'd like to also give a shout out to our sponsor, Sal's Pizza. Look it up at salspizzeria.com. And we'll see you next time, everybody. Have a good one.